Alright guys, I'm really going to need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and comment below to help the algorithm. Because what I'm going to do is waste this perfectly good bolt, brand new. Our number one question in the clutch world is, if this bolt breaks inside the crank, do I have to replace my crank? The answer is no. So I'm going to break this brand new bolt, or at least I'm going to try to, because these are hard to break. And show you guys how to get it out, because last thing I want is your dealer to try and sell you a new crank when you don't need one. So, we good? We're on the set. All right. Now if I can hold it. I don't understand how people are breaking these. I really don't. And I'm using a Milwaukee here. Never mind. I don't know. But we did mess it up. Now, I do not know how people are breaking these. I really don't. Because you guys have seen that. If you do break it, I really thought that was going to break. I've never broken one. If you do break it, flathead screwdriver, shove it in the hole. It's going to land wherever this broke, right on it, okay? And what you're going to do, you're not going to turn it to the left because that's tightening it. You're going to turn it to the right, clockwise. You're just going to put it in there, light pressure, and spin your screwdriver. And that bolt is going to spin right out with no problem. The reason why, once you get rid of this head, ouch, it's hot. It's hot. Once you get rid of this head, there's no more pressure on this. The threads aren't what makes a bolt tight. The head is what makes the bolt tight. So once you snap this, and they usually break about right in here, it's hot, about right in there, the head, it just pulls right out. I really don't know how people are breaking them, but I get a lot of messages daily, weekly, monthly, yearly of people that figured out a way to break those. If you broke one, kudos to you, because my Milwaukee couldn't. And this ain't no baby Milwaukee. This is the big Milwaukee. And it'll snap a lug nut off like that. So I don't know. Nonetheless, there you go. I'll play around and see if I can get it to break, but I don't think so. I'll try one more time. It definitely bent it. I think I broke it. I broke it! Okay, I broke it. So there you go. I used a drill bit, or like a bit holder, but it has a magnet in it. There you go. So don't think that you got to replace the whole crank, because the threads are tough. So don't think you got to replace the whole crank. Wada bam, wada boom, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate you. I'm glad that I was able to help. I've been wanting to do this video for a long while. I just hadn't had the time. So there we go. We got it done. Please share the video with all your friends, and hopefully this helps you. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.